Welcome back, everybody. Cliff again. Turn one with our new firefight on the hill. The hills are alive with the sound of Teutonics. We got 12 guys here. We have no machine guns. I'm not going to roll for a jeep. So our max confidence is going to be 12. We're going to be bold because we have fanatic morale. So we would break at 6, 5, 3, 2. Alright, our 12 guys. A brief overview of the hill. Let's see here. Fit to height. It's a long ways away. Our goal is to we've got to keep them out of 18. So this is our line of advance we need to stop them from. So really, I'm going to aim to occupy this line here of terrain. Down here is more open, so that's going to be a little dodgier. We'll have to see what's going to happen there. I can set up between 28 and 30. So this is my setup area. It's heavy rain and not muddy yet, so I'm going to sprint on my first turn. So we're going to sprint up and try to get as far up forward as we can around this rough terrain and down here to try to get up as far as we can to occupy our front line here. That's the plan. So that said, here we are. We need to take care of some stuff. We get 2 cards. A trip and discard. Well, we're taking the discard first and the trip second. I'm going to try to get everybody sprinted right away because we'll probably get mud and then we won't be able to sprint. We'll take the trip second. No time to plan. The second thing we need to do is determine what deck we're going to use. 0 through 4 is original. We're using the original deck. We need to determine LOS in this heavy rain, which is 2d6. Seven. Visibility is going to be 7 in the rain. That's not bad. It's average. We need to determine our wind direction. Now that compass has got to get spun like that. And our wind direction is going to be 1. Straight down. It's daytime, so it's only smoke. We've got 3 rerolls, along with our 7 personal rerolls. No must rerolls. Firm ground for the moment. Daytime. -1 shooting out to -2 beyond 2 hexes. I need to set up because we have no recon. Then they will set up. They're medium sized, so they'll get reinforcements potentially on turns 3, 5, and 7. A d10 of 5 to 9 will give them reinforcements. 12 turns. That's what we've got on the board. So I want to have a good gun here. I'm going to be on 28, by the way, as far forward as possible. I want my best shot there, which is going to be Mad Dog up there. So he's going to be here, heading for there. We need to flank him and protect him with some good TQ and a good rifle. We'll put another Able out here. We need at least 4 up here. This is going to be a slower guy. Bax is going to be limping along with just an evade. Because he's got the Browning. I'm going to put some good firepower down here. That's Mad Dog. I want Mad Dog there. Because Mad Dog's going to go here. Let's get these guys out of my way. I put Mad Dog here. He's just going to sprint. These guys are all going to sprint. Put their sprints on them now. There. Mad Dog sprinting. He's sprinting. This is Sandman. We'll put him down here. We'll put our new guy here. Wild Man. We've got a medic down here. Bax. We'll put a medic up here. We need better rifle skill up here. We need the rest over here. This is Mad Dog. There we are. That's us. We don't have any arty. This is a firefight, so it's a meeting. Oh, we got another Bax. We got another Baker here. I'm going to put him with this Baker. They're going to go together. These rocks are in my way. We're at to sprint around them. Alright. And for their setup, they're going to roll. This is Firefight 1. Setup number 3. I'm going to set them up. They'll come in as bold. I'll see you in a moment. With Firefight, I didn't need to even roll a die. This is where they set up. I rolled for their orders. With a visibility of 7, there's no chance we can see each other. So I'm just going to give them their cards to burn those out of the deck. It doesn't really matter what the initiative is. I'm just going to move everybody so I can sprint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Level 2 hill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's me moving up. Now them. I'm going to start from the front edge. Sprint 5, 6. 5 is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Level 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're not going to make it. 5, 6. 5, 6. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. 6, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5. Five is up, up, skip, up, up, down, down. This is going to duck back no matter what, so you'll just go here and duck back. Run and gun 6, down, 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 down. Evade 6, 5, down, up, down, up. Evading 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sprinting 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Run and gun 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Evading 6. 6 is down. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up. Sprinting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 5, 6. 1, 2, duck back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 5, 6. 5, 6, 5, 6. And that is our first turn. We're going to be hard-pressed to get to our firing positions. But we'll try. We will try. We don't have LOS here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just out of LOS. I think we're going to get down and take the reverse slope position with an evade. And these guys I'm going to try, if I can, to get up there. So we're going to try to get to our firing positions here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I want to put my guy here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we can evade in there. Okay. So I can remove my moves. I can remove my orders. I can go to the display, discard the cards, go to the turn. We go to turn 2. Roll for mud. Nope. And Charlie Trip. One of my Charlies. So up here will be 1, 2. Or just a roll out D6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Bucko being 4, and 6 being Wild Man. It's Wild Man who trips. He's forced to duck back. All right. That'll be my initiative. I'll give them their orders next time. We're off and running. The hills are alive. I'll see you then.